Hello students, let us do the chapter Natural Vegetation and Wildlife Part 2, Chapter 6, Geography. Tropical evergreen forest. Let us know the meaning of tropical. The region near the equator or in between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This means that the area or region is near the equator. Here, the temperature is high and rainfall is heavy and well distributed throughout the year. Evergreen means green throughout the year. That means there is no shedding of leaves. Next comes the meaning of forest. The forest means area covered with trees, then the temperature is pleasant with heavy rainfall. With this, you understood the meaning of tropical evergreen forest. The most important trees of these forests are hardwood trees like mahogany, ebony, rosewood, and rubber. Colorful birds, monkeys, apes, squirrels, snakes, tree frogs live in trees. Bigger animals like deer, tapir, bush pig, elephants, and jaguars live in the forest floor, while giant anaconda snakes, crocodiles, and hippopotamus live in swamps. Next comes tropical deciduous forest. Let us know the meaning of tropical again. The region near the equator or in between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The meaning of deciduous. The trees shed their leaves in a particular period. Then let us come to know the meaning of forest. The area covered with trees, pleasant temperature, and heavy rainfall. Tropical deciduous forests are found in the monsoon regions with warm and humid climate and a distant dry season, so they are called as monsoon forests. Here, the trees are deciduous, that is, they shed their leaves in the dry season to conserve moisture. These forests are not very dense. Example, teak, sal, sandalwood, neem, shisham, bamboo, etc. Different types of trees are available in this region. These forests are found in Central America, Asia, Northern Australia. Animals found in this region are tigers, lions, rhinoceros, elephants, leopards, langurs, monkeys, and snakes. What is temperate evergreen forest? First, let us know the meaning of temperate. The region lying between Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle and Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. Next, evergreen, green throughout the year. Next comes forest, area covered with trees, pleasant temperature, and heavy rainfall. With this, you will come to know where temperate evergreen forests are lying. These forests are found in southeastern USA, southeastern Brazil, Uruguay, southern China, southern Japan, eastern coast of South America, eastern Australia. Squirrels, raccoons, skunks are found in these temperate evergreen forests. Temperate deciduous forests. These forests are found in higher latitudes in regions of cool climate and moderate rainfall. Let us know the meaning of temperate. It is the region which lies between the Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle and Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. Next comes the meanings of deciduous. The trees shed their leaves in a particular season. Then forest. The meaning of forest is the area covered with trees. Then there is a pleasant temperature with heavy rainfall. These forests cover northeastern USA, western Europe, northeastern China, and parts of Japan. The animals found in these forests are deer, foxes, wolves, bears, squirrels, beavers, and birds. The most important trees of these forests are oak, ash, beech, birch, elm, poplar, maple, and Douglas fir. Mediterranean vegetation. The climate is termed as the Mediterranean climate as it is experienced mainly in areas surrounding the Mediterranean Sea, mainly in Europe and Africa. Vegetation means plants considered collectively, especially those found in a particular area. The Mediterranean climate is hot, dry summers and cooler, wet winters. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, lime, peaches, plums, cherries, figs, and apricots, and nuts like almonds and walnut are largely cultivated. The grapevines and olives of these areas are famous around the world. It is also known as the orchards of the world. Oaks, cedar, cypress, pines, fir, myrtle are important trees belonging to these areas. Next, coniferous forests. What is coniferous? It lies in the northern hemisphere between 50° north to 70° north. They are also known as taiga. It lies between the frigid and temperate zone. And what is forest? The area covered with trees, pleasant temperature, and heavy rainfall. Fur-bearing animals like silver fox, mink, lynx, polar bear, caribou, and reindeer are found in these areas. Rich coniferous forests are found in southern Alaska, southern Canada, parts of Norway, Sweden, and Finland, and in Russia. The soft wood of coniferous forests is used for making paper pulp, for manufacturing paper, matchboxes, packing boxes, plywood for furniture and doors, sports goods, etc. Tropical grasslands. Tropical grasslands are found on either side of the equatorial zone extending up to tropics. Tropical grasslands occur in areas of moderate to low rainfall in summer and high temperature throughout the year. In areas of moderate rainfall, tall grasses which are 3 to 4 meters in height grow with some hardy trees scattered in between. This tall grass is known as elephant grass. They are commonly known as savanna grasslands of East Africa. The other areas of the world where these grasslands occur are the Brazilian highlands, Deccan Plateau, and northern Australia. Savanna grasslands are famous as game country, popular for wildlife safaris. Zebras, giraffes, deer, wild buffaloes, double horned rhinoceros graze on these grasslands. Temperate grasslands. These grasslands are found in the interior parts of the continents in cool temperate regions. Grass here is short and nutritious. Nutritious wheat, maize, oats belonging to the grass family are widely cultivated in these areas. Therefore, it is referred as the granaries of the world. The temperate grasslands have specific names and are known as prairies in North America, steppes in Eurasia, pampas in South America, velds in South Africa, and downs in Australia. Desert vegetation. Thorny bushes are found in arid and semi-arid areas of the earth. Xerophytic plants adapt to the deserts. In the tropical deserts, rainfall is very scanty and heat is scorching. They are located on the western sides of the continents. They include the Sahara Desert and the Kalahari Desert of the Africa, the Arizona Desert of the USA, Arabian Desert, the Thar Desert of India, and Southwest Australian Desert. The camel is the typical animal of the desert. Certain reptiles, snakes, lizards, poisonous spiders, and scorpions, and some foxes and vultures are also found in the deserts. Tundra vegetation. In the polar regions north of the Arctic Circle, the extreme cold temperatures limit plant growth. The areas include the polar areas of North America, Europe, and Asia. Plants like mosses, lichens, and flowering shrubs grow during the short summer, especially around the lakes. The animals inhabiting these areas have thick fur and thick skin to protect themselves from the harsh cold climate. The polar bear, seal, walruses, sable, and blue fox belong to these areas. The reindeer, musk ox, and Arctic hare feed on the low growing plants of the tundras.